Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a really long time. I hope you guys are all well. So in today's vlog, I'm kind of going to be putting different clips from like different events in this vlog. I didn't have enough footage from my housewarming to just upload that, so I just added on. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm currently on my way to IKEA. I gotta pick up some things. Stay tuned for the end of the video where I'll be doing a haul. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing, I think. I haven't tried it on yet, but it's just some black tights and this really cute cropped ruche top from Fashion Nova. Probably gonna wear this perfume and then some Burberry shoes. So I know that one wouldn't work.
Okay, the other dollar store has the one.
Okay, the Dollar Tree?
Yeah.
Why can't we use that pin?
What?
Because
it's gonna be, the bottle's gonna stop like right here, and then it's gonna be sticking out and fall over. It's gonna be in something, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, unless we put fill it with ice.
It's not going to
Still no? Oh. Okay. We'll go back in the jug aisle. No, that's too big, right?
No, like,
No?
filled with ice and then you put the two bottles in it.
Oh, so we have to just choose a color.
Yeah, and all those colors are whack.
Yeah, because we weren't looking for it then, but maybe we'll find it now. The thing is broken.
Deal. I know, it keeps on wobbling, dude.
Okay, so...
See, like this.
Yeah, but not square, right?
Yeah, it's so hard. Oh, this will be perfect.
That's
Blue.
cute.
That won't go with our shit.
No, it
though.
doesn't.
This might.
Blue?
Yeah, because
What
it's
about
baby
these?
blue and
Oh no.
ew.
Or gray. Gray? Oh, we don't like the square though.
Yeah, that's huge. So it's like take up the whole damn table. Oh wait. Oh shit.
There it is. Here. Perfect.
And oh my god, look at these.
Oh yeah, those are so cute. Yeah. A hundo P.
It just goes a hundo P. You're so silly. Okay, so the sandwiches, we should go to the other ones to get the trays for the sandwiches?
Yeah.
Or it probably comes on a little black tray anyways. It does.
Yeah, probably.
Right?
Hey guys, so I am finally done getting ready. I didn't get to film since the last time I filmed because we were running around like chickens with their heads cut off. I had to run around and do everything that I needed to do for my party. And now I can relax and enjoy. I'm just wearing this ruched crop top from Fashion Nova. And then these pretty little thing, light wash, ripped jeans, Gucci belt. And my shoes are from a brand called Kuko. It's the sister brand, one of the sister brands for Shein, I believe. Congratulations, man. Love you too. Why you don't like this song?
You and me, we used to days. You and me, we used to days. You and me, it should be.
It's Tim. Hey, pass him the wig stuff. I figure pass him, pass him.
You told me no?
Did you tell me no? You tell me no?
Yeah, okay. Then don't turn it
What is
so
it?
on. My liquor.
Oh yeah, I was gonna turn my stove on for fun.
We used to days. You and me. We used to days. You and me.
Deja, I just want to say congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you. And your home is blessed and it feels homey. It's amazing. Congratulations.
Cheers.
You know, whip your gifts with a little soft music. Yeah.
Why don't you just continue playing what you remember? Like,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I've filmed on my channel on YouTube. I said I was gonna post a vlog of my housewarming party. That video is like sitting there. It would be a really short vlog. But if you do want to see some updates about my life, follow me on Instagram, because for those events or exciting things that I'm doing that I don't have time to film, I usually do film on Instagram and make it into like a short reel or something like that. So definitely check that out. Today I'm actually going to the Chateau Suzy Shear, and I have been given a $500 budget to shop their new collection. I wanted to kind of make this into a shopping challenge because I'm picking up my mom right now. We have plans to go out after, so we are giving ourselves a time limit. So I'm gonna give myself 1 hour to find a cute outfit or 2 or 3 because it's a $500 budget. So thank you so much to Le Chateau Suzy Shear. I'm hoping to vlog. I also have to get some deliverables for Le Chateau Suzy Shear. So obviously that's priority, but I do want to get clips throughout the day of my shopping experience. But yeah, so this should be fun. Again, follow me on Instagram, because if I don't end up posting this video, then you will still see the shopping challenge on my Instagram, unless I completely don't get the footage that I'm looking for. But yeah, today's a really nice day. It's gorgeous outside, so it's a perfect day for this. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm headed out the door right now to go get my mom. I want to stop at Chateau, pick up a mango smoothie. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys my outfit as well. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing this black blazer. It's actually a bra from a brand called Lovelet, and these Fashion Nova high-waisted jeans. And then I'm just going to be wearing some Burberry running shoes because I'm going to be shopping, and I was gonna wear heels, and then I was like, okay, you're gonna be dying by the end of this day. So I figured I'll wear some sneakers and then a cute little purse. So I just finished my makeup. hop on here really quickly and show you guys a haul of everything that I picked up from Le Chateau. I remember Le Chateau from years ago and Susie Shear from years ago. I'm here to tell you, they've definitely like revamped and they have a lot of goodies now. I was so surprised when I went in there and I actually saw so many things that I wanted and that I liked. So the first thing that I'll quickly talk about, because I only got one of these, is a pair of heels. And I never actually purchased a pair of heels from Le Chateau before, ever, or Susie Shear, and these are quite comfortable, I have to say. The girl that was helping me, she suggested them and I absolutely love them. Plus I needed a new pair of white heels, so pick these up. I love them, especially for spring summer. The next piece that I got was one of my favorites. So this is a two-piece set. If you guys don't know me, I love matching separates or two-piece sets just because they're easy, they're comfortable. I love to be comfortable but like still cute and trendy. So I was really excited for this. It's just a two-piece crop and tight set. It's black and lime green. So cute. The back has like a dip, a V, and then on these it has a V in the front though, so that's really nice for creating a nice shape, and it makes the booty look really nice. I'm always about that. I just love the colors that they chose for this. Very spring-esque, and you can also wear it in the fall. Oh, and I loved the fit. Like, it fit me perfectly. The next two-piece set that I picked up, love the color. It's like a lilac purple color. I feel like this color is going to be in this spring and summer. V-neck crop and some biker shorts. Next, I picked up a couple staples that I figured that I would need in my wardrobe. These are pieces that you just need no matter what. The first one, which I've never had a vest like this because I don't tend to wear them, but I figured why not pick one up because I will start wearing them, especially if it's jean. I know I'll wear like a jean vest, so, and I figured I'd wear it with that lilac two-piece matching set. But this is what it looks like. Super cute. I love the wash and I love that it's cropped. The next staple piece that I have is this leather jacket. I used to have a black leather jacket like this that cinches in the waist from Dynamite, and I kid you not, you guys, I wore that every day. Winter, fall, spring, summer, didn't matter what season it was. And then eventually, I don't know if I lost it or if it was just too small, or no, it ripped. It ripped. So I ripped it, and when I purchased it, I actually worked at Dynamite. So when I ripped it and had to get another one and had to use my own money, I was kind of like, no. So I never actually purchased it again, but I absolutely love that jacket. And so I got one just very similar to it, and I actually love this one just as much, if not more. And so it's just an all black leather jacket, has silver zipper detail, and then it cinches in your waist, which I love that detail. I hate the leather jackets that are just like boxy. The next staple is this denim jacket with a couple rip details in it. I just figured, you know, everyone needs a jean jacket that they can just throw on. I love a crop or fitted jean jacket. I picked up a two-piece set. This one's kind of out of my comfort zone, and it was a recommendation from the stylist that was there with me. So it's just a two-piece matching separates, which is up my alley, but it's just the colors that are a little bit out there that are not really in my comfort zone, but I definitely want to step out of my comfort zone this spring summer season. So I got this long bodycon fitted skirt, and it's in like a turquoise or aqua blue color. And then I got this racer tank. I'm excited to wear this little number together. This next two-piece set, well, I actually put it together as a two-piece set. Well, it's on the display as a two-piece set, but they were separate. But I've already worn this. Like, it's so cute. I have a photo on my Instagram. This is not something that I would typically pick up, but I do want to branch out and try new things. It's just a pair of like dressy shorts and all white. I never wear white. I also got this vest blazer to go with it. So this is what that looks like. Very like classy. I actually wore it with a lace bralette, and I thought that was really cute. I think I put it together really nicely, but you guys be the judge of that. The last item that I picked up was this nude clutch. I have every color clutch except for nude, so I figured why not pick up one of these for when I'm going out. I feel like nude goes with everything. Just recently got a pair of nude slash clear strappy heel, so I figured this would go really nicely with it. It comes in black and white as well. You can wear it as a long purse or you can wear it as a clutch, whatever works best for you. I personally like it as a clutch. So thank you so much. Believe it or not, this is my second time, actually third time attempting to film this haul to put at the end of the vlog. Don't forget to check out Le Chateau Suji Sheer if you haven't recently, because like I said, there are definitely some gems there. I'll see you guys in my next video.